plane. Hello everybody, and welcome back to another tutorial, where today we are going to be learning how to turn on a computer. So, let's go. So, the first thing you need to do is locate your arm. I have one right here. So, grab your arm, and specifically, you'll need the bit on the end, called a finger. Grab the finger, while still letting your arm balance on something. Right, you're going to use your finger to turn on the computer. Okay? Now, we bring our finger up. Okay, you still have your finger. Still holding my finger, and we click the power button. Oh, looks like I tricked you. This computer's already on. But this will work for your personal computer at home. Dislike